Hello again! We're doing yet another silly driver caught on the Jeep dashcam. Sorry, it's a voiceover this time because last time, just before leaving, the camera was new. It did a factory update and turned the microphone off, and I had to go into settings after this clip and turn the microphone back on. So this is quite a busy road, especially this time of day when people picking up kids from multiple schools in the area. And there's a gas station on the corner here. And this guy thought it'd be a good idea, even though the gas station was full, to just park on the road for everyone to go around him. When in fact, if he'd just gone where I'm driving, he could have turned left into the petrol station right there and not